Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Self Hustle, and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. So, in this video, we'll be talking about a particular website that can actually pay you real money, like real money to do some things. Now, a lot of you believe that you do not need any skills, you can make tangible money online without any skill. Well, that is actually a lie, because whether you like it or not, you need a particular skill for you to make money online. Now, the only thing is the fact that there are some skills that do not require you to have the tech mindset to make money online. There are some skills that you can easily make like $20 a day, like $30 a day, like $30 an hour, $50 an hour online, and then you get paid your money. You understand? So without wasting much of our time, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what, subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, will love you. Please do what, like this video and share, and drop it in the comment section if you have any skill or you do not have any skill. Just write, I have a skill, all right, I do not have a skill, so we can see where we can start from there, either by picking out skills that you guys can learn that are easy to learn, are free, and also free to learn online. Then with time, you work more on yourself and you develop yourself. Now, please note that on this online street, if you do not work more on yourself, there is no way you can make money online. But with that being said, let's just head straight into this video. So this is the screen of my phone, so I'll just minimize it. I have it opened right here. Now, the name of this particular website or app we'll be using is called Upwork. Now, it is no news that some of you do not believe that you can actually do anything on Upwork and get paid. But the fact still remains that you actually can get clients on Upwork that will even pay you. In fact, some people might even be returning clients. Now, if you are looking for ways for you to learn skills for free without paying a dime, for free without any investment, just go to mindbuster.com. Now, I have a video on that in one of my videos, and I might be leaving the link in the description box, so do well to check, or you will see the link as a pinned comment in the comment section. So here we have it. This is what Upwork looks like. That on MindLuster, you can also get certifications for free, which you can use on Upwork. But that will be after you've complete your training on MindLuster. So we have one here that says experienced virtual assistant for my YouTube channel, and this guy actually has a budget of $20. Now let's see what he's looking for. He says, are you a space enthusiast with a knack for organization? Join our YouTube channel team as a virtual assistant. Now we'll be seeing what we'll be doing around. It says you need to have time commitment. You need to have time commitment. You also need to be good with English language. You also need a reliable internet for seamless upload, and a clear microphone and camera. Well, the truth is, this money might look small. This money might look small, but then again, this guy is actually a legit client on Upwork, because he has spent over $7,000 on Upwork. I said it in one of my videos, is the fact that for you to know a legit client on Upwork, you need to check how much they have spent. Some clients will just come on Upwork and post jobs without having the mind for you to do whatever. Some will even want to refer you to a website to sign up and all of that. So it says the possibility of growth tax later compensation is $20 a month. Although this $20 a month is a little bit small, but we have a lot of people that might want to start up with that. Also looking for a video editor and a virtual assistant for $80. So you can come on Upwork here. Here it says that this particular guy is looking for a customer and sales representative, and his budget is around $3 to $5 every hour. and he wants someone that can work with him for more than 6 months. So if you multiply $5 an hour, if you're working 10 hours in a day, that would be like $25 for 10 hours in a day. Or if you can increase it, you do want to increase it. But you can go on MindLuster and sign up on MindLuster and take their courses on sales and customer representative trainings and get a certification and come on Upwork here and apply. Now, if we scroll down, we're going to see bilingual English customer support. Now, with that being said, if you're in Nigeria online here, just come to where it says the search button here. Just come to this search button here and you type Nigeria. You type Nigeria. Just type in Nigeria. Let's see if there are some jobs that are actually associated with Nigerians on Upwork here, where your barrier does not, where your location is not a barrier. Now on Upwork here, we found 55 jobs. Now from 1 to 55, if you are like me that needs a job urgently, I would advise you go on Upwork, sign up and start applying to any of these jobs that you can apply to. Please do not get tired of submitting application or applying to jobs on Upwork, because definitely if you go on MindLuster and you get a certificate and you include your own university certificate or your own degree certificate, you definitely get a job on Upwork, especially with the job that has the tag of Nigerians. You understand? Now this guy he needs a writer for a report and he has $20 as his own budget. So that's fairly okay for Nigeria, and he is a verified client who has spent over $900. So definitely this first job will be a go-to for me if I were to be applying for a writer's job. Now looking for just normal content writer for articles and blog, and their budget is $25 for every article. So do well to check. This is also a legit client that has spent over $1,000. So guys, I really do not want to waste much of your time. All you need to do on Upwork is to build your profile. And when I mean build your profile is you can use that GPT or GPT-3 to actually write something about your portfolio or write a good bio for you to upload on Upwork. A good bio goes a long way to upload on Upwork. And please feel free to click on the categories that are relating to your own niche. Do not just focus your niche, or do not just focus yourself to just one category. You understand? There are a lot of categories on Upwork where you can choose anyone you want. So please niche down your category. Go ahead, explore all the categories that you can. You can also go on MindLuster and get the certifications that you want to use to upload on Upwork for people to see that you are a certified writer. And you can sign up as well on Medium to start posting articles to showcase your work. Medium is a free platform where you can also showcase your work. Also, we have Quora. Quora is also a free platform where, as a writer, you can sign up and showcase your work. So do not tell me that you do not have a sample, you are a beginner, you are whatever. Come on Upwork. Put up your jobs on Medium and Quora. Come on Upwork. Apply to whatever job that you know that you can do. Apply to it. When they ask you to send them a portfolio or send them a sample of the job you have done, go on Medium, go on Quora, copy the link of these jobs you have posted, send to them, tell them you posted it, that is your own website, that is what you do. And definitely you will see someone whose budget is a little bit low and is looking for something moderate to give you a job for the first time. So please keep applying, keep pushing. Do not give up. You don't have to give up because one application didn't come true for you. So all you need to do now is to sit up right now, go on Upwork. Even in fact, you can use this skill for other websites that you know that you can apply to. Go on there, start your application, build your portfolio, and there are a lot of ways to build portfolios. If you don't know how to, you can start off by typing it on OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, and it will do what? Put you through. So without wasting much of our time, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video, please do what to like the video. And if you have not shared the video, what are you waiting for? Do what to share this video. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you.